Have you ever had difficulty putting on your socks? Today I will show you 3 exercises to improve your flexibility to help you put on your socks. When we put on our socks, the most efficient position to do this is to put your ankle on top of your knee when you are seated. If you have difficulty achieving this position, it is usually because of the tightness in your hip. The first exercise is a gentle piriformis stretch. Start by lying down on your back. Bend both knees with your feet flat on the floor or on your bed. Put your right ankle on top of your left knee. From this position, use your right hand to push your right knee forward. Hold this stretch for up to 30 seconds, then switch sides and repeat. If you have trouble getting your right ankle to sit on top of your left knee, you can use a stretching strap or a yoga strap. Wrap it around your right foot and then use your hands to pull the strap to pull the ankle on top of your left knee. Make sure to do each stretch at least twice. The second exercise is seated piriformis stretch on a bench. You can also use a couch or your bed. Start from the seated position, bring one leg onto the couch, bend the knee, use your hand to push the knee outward so that the outside of your knee goes down toward the couch. Hold the stretch for up to 30 seconds, switch sides and repeat. Once you are comfortable with the first 2 exercises, you can try a more advanced piriformis stretch. From the seated position, put your right ankle over your left knee. Use your left hand to keep your right ankle in place. Next, use your right hand to push the right knee down toward the floor. Hold the stretch for up to 30 seconds, switch sides, and then repeat. If you had trouble getting your right ankle on top of the left knee, again, you can use a stretching or yoga strap. Wrap it around your right foot and use your hands to pull your foot and ankle using the strap onto your left knee. I highly recommend you to practice these stretches so you'll have the flexibility to achieve this position, because this position is not only helpful for putting on your socks, it is also helpful for clipping your own toenails, washing your foot, and massaging your foot. This is also a very useful position for people who have diabetes to check their feet for any injuries. It is an essential position for any type of foot care. If you have trouble attempting any of these exercises, please consult with your local physical therapist or physiotherapist before continuing.